Mass Joe stepped outside the airport like a man ready to conquer America, chest out, head high. Then the cold and snow slapped him straight in the face. Brrr, blood of Jesus, he's whooping the fridge, he said. Just then his niece Nicole rushed up. Uncle Joe, you finally arrived. Mass Joe stared at her, mouth wide open. Nikki, why you never tell me say you live in a ice box? Look pon this. Smoke a come out of my mouth. Uncle, come now. Let me take you home where it is warm, Nicole said while laughing. No, sir. Me a turn back right now. Me a go right back to me nice Jamaica. After me a dead body for the pan ice. He spun around to leave and slipped straight into the snow. Lord, what a happen in a year, happen in a day. Look how me come this far for broke up, Mass Joe said. A passerby rushed over, helping Nicole pull him up while Mass Joe groaned dramatically. Later that night, wrapped in a thick blanket, heater blazing, and a cup of hot ginger tea, Mass Joe sat quietly. He shook his head slowly and said, no place no better than yard. The lesson to be learned is sometimes you must leave home to remember why it matters. Home isn't a place, it's where you feel safe and warm. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And have a blessed day. Bye.